Take control of your fireplace with the Regency Fireplace app. Turn your fireplace on and off, adjust the flame height, fan, and temperature from anywhere in your home. This video takes you through everything you need to know about using the app, including setup, operation, and troubleshooting. First, familiarize yourself with the home screen. You'll see the on and off button, fan and flame controls, manual and automatic mode, the current room temperature, settings, and fireplace details. To connect your fireplace to the app, download the Regency app at the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app. A screen will pop up indicating that the fireplace has not been found. Tap this screen. Then select Set up New Fireplace. This will bring up a set of instructions. Follow them closely. Once you've turned your fireplace off and on and enabled Wi-Fi, connect your phone to the heater network and enter the password. Afterwards, return to the Regency app. A screen will appear with different Wi-Fi options. Select your home network, enter the password, then select OK. You're connected. Next up, how to personalize your fireplace. After connecting, return to the home screen. Press the power button to turn your fireplace on. It may take a few minutes for the temperature reading on the app to sync with the remote. Once the fireplace is on, the button will flash red before turning to solid white. Note, there may be a slight delay in turning the fireplace on. There's no need to press this button multiple times. To rename your fireplace, press the down arrow at the top right of the screen. Press and hold on the fireplace you wish to rename. The keyboard will appear. Type the name you wish to enter and press Done. You now have a personalized fireplace. To switch between manual and auto mode, press the arrow beside the word Manual. In auto mode, you can adjust the temperature between 7 degrees and 32 degrees in 0.5 degree increments using the plus or minus buttons. The fireplace will then adjust based on the room temperature setting. The fireplace will turn itself off when it's within 0.5 to 1 degree of the desired temperature. In manual mode, you can adjust the flame height to 6 different levels, and you can adjust the fan to 3 different levels by using the plus or minus buttons. Note, the fan will continue to run for up to 10 minutes after being shut off to expel the remaining heat. To access other features, press the Settings button. Here you can add or remove a fireplace. The default controls of your fireplace will include flame and fan. If your fireplace has been configured with 2 fans, add the secondary fan under Edit Controls. Click on Fan 2 to add the secondary fan. Once it's paired, you'll see a check mark appear. To remove this control, simply press Fan 2 again and the check mark will disappear. To register your fireplace's warranty, access other tutorial, or visit the Regency website, press Support. To return to the home screen, press Back. To make sure your Regency app and the Millennium remote are working together, ensure your remote contains working batteries. While your app will work regardless of whether the remote is on or off, the remote must still be supplied with power in order to act as the thermostat for the app. Without it, the app will not work. Any changes you make on the remote, such as flame height and fan speed, will reflect in the app. However, switching from one mode to the other, say auto to manual on the remote, will not switch the mode on the app, and vice versa. The latest change you have made, either with the remote or the app, will take control of the fireplace. For example, if you change the unit to auto on the remote last, your fireplace will switch to auto, even if the app does not show this. If the remote batteries have died or the remote is lost, you will only be able to use the app in manual. In the event of a power outage, your fireplace will not automatically turn back on when the power is restored, and the app will disconnect. To resume using the remote, cycle the on and off buttons. In the event your modem or router loses power, let it reboot and wait for the network to come back online. You may need to power down the heater for 15 seconds at this point to reconnect the heater to the network. It may take your fireplace 3 to 5 minutes to reconnect once powered on. Close the Regency Fireplace app, wait 5 minutes, then reopen. Once you're connected, you can turn your fireplace on from the app. Experience tells us that most problems will be related to your Wi-Fi network or signal strength on initial connection. Make sure you have a strong signal. If your Wi-Fi levels fluctuate below 3 bars, a Wi-Fi booster may be required. When using a booster, be sure the app and fireplace are connected to the same network and not the booster directly. If you have other issues with your Wi-Fi, please review the online manual and, if necessary, contact your service provider. For more information about your fireplace and the Regency app, visit regency-fire.com.au.